Emma was embarrassing. And so now she's with Layla.
It's just her dancing.
You come up with that on your own? So it's AJ starting things off against Alicia Fox. Of course, Alicia and Paige knew yes. That didn't work out too well, so now she's going to try her pair with Alicia Fox. Champion and a kick out by AJ.
Really good tag team of Paige and Alicia.
And everybody on social media and Twitter talking about the
Yes, they are. We're talking about it as well.
The winner faces Seth Rollins inside Hell in a Cell.
It's a pay-per-view. I'm talking about it. You're talking about it. Everybody's talking about it. Find what I just saw, what I just witnessed in the back of my mind, and stay as far away from AJ as I could. John, what do you always say? Can't play mind games with somebody without a mind.
AJ picks up the victory as the 2 pounds.